Hello, Year One. Today we are going to be looking at the character traits of the very cranky bear. So we will be looking at what is a character trait, what sort of character was the very cranky bear at the beginning of the story, what clues are in the text to explain what sort of character the very cranky bear was. And at the end, you will be writing a sentence to describe the very cranky bear character traits at the beginning of the story. So, what are character traits? The character traits are where we have a look at what the character looks like on the outside and on the inside. So, on the outside, if I have a look at the cranky bear, we can see that he has brown fur, he has a black nose, his face looks cranky, he looks a little bit like he's frowning in that picture. And then on the inside, you might have a look at how you think he might be feeling on the inside, what he might be thinking about, and what his actions look like. So in that picture, he's pointing at something, and you can tell by his actions that he's probably not thinking about something that he likes. He's looking a little bit cranky in that picture already. Here are some words that could describe what the very cranky bear looks like on the inside. So he could be cross, he could be outraged by something, he could be very annoyed, and I'm sure you could think of some others to describe him as well. So, what sort of character was the very cranky bear at the beginning of the story? So, if we have a look at the picture of him, he looks like he's stomping his feet and pointing, and he has an angry look on his face. He looks like he's frowning at somebody and walking towards them. So, I might say that he looks angry, he could be being bossy, he could be being impolite to somebody. And I'm sure there are some other words that you could think of that could describe that character as well. So the very cranky bear, he looks at the other characters and he gnashes his teeth together, he's stomping his feet, and he chases them away because he's really, really cranky with them. He roars at them, and the characters, the other animals, they feel scared or a bit frightened. And you can see that everything goes flying in the air as they're running out from the cave because they're so scared that this big animal is roaring at them and chasing them away. here is a sentence that I've written about the Very Cranky Bear. At the beginning of the story, the Very Cranky Bear was a mean character. The Very Cranky Bear scared the animals away. The animals didn't know that there was a bear sleeping in the cave. Now it's your turn. You are going to write me a sentence about what the Very Cranky Bear was like at the beginning of the story, and you're going to use some of those words there in that circle. Or if you can think of a different word that you would like to use, that would be fine as well. So an example might be, the Very Cranky Bear was angry because he really wanted to go to sleep.